A very good evening, and it's now time to take the sporting gear. My name is Moses Wahis. Now, Gor Mahia will be seeking to earn a group stage slot in the CAF Confederation Cup. And that's when they take host Zambia in the match that is expected this very Sunday. The team has refuted claims that Kogalo players are on a go-slow, saying that the players have been training and they are eager to start.
Players wote wako apart from Benson Omala, who is attending classes because of the exams. Lakini all the players are training and we are happy, we are prepared for the game.
Nasema kitu muhimu sana katika hii competition ni preparation. Ukiprepare vizuri, nadhani utapata matokeo, na hiyo ndio kitu tumejifunza zaidi. Lazima tu prepare vizuri kama timu kubwa.
Tutatumika sana tu juu kocha anajua vile tulikosa kwa sababu tusifungi magoli machi inaisha, na tuko tunavitumika hapa kwa entraînement, najua machi itakuwa vizuri.
I know it's important the result because it's not only for the Gor Mahia, it's to the football of Kenya. We play now to represent the country, not to represent only Gor Mahia. Because of that is important, of course, but my focus is always my work.
I know this weekend we will not be having the Football Kenya Federation Premier League, but of key importance is to note the members of the different teams who have been able to start. Very, very quickly, you think about the people who have the maximum number of goals. Eric Kapaito, at this particular time, has been able to score 12 important goals. But the person who's following is Elvis Rupia. For Elvis Rupia, it has been written 10, but he improved that. So at this particular time, it is 11. A lot of optimism when it comes to this young lad who plays for FC Leopards. Another one is Henry Major. For Henry Major, a lot of talks about him and what exactly he brings to Tusker FC. So wait and see what exactly he will be able to bring to the party when he plays in the next fixtures. But also notably, another one from the Tusker FC is Jackson Masharia, who's been able to score 4 goals. David Majak, another Tusker player, and Eric Gichun, remember for him, he was able to score an important goal in the last game that were able to pick maximum points last weekend. Jules Ulimwengu for Gor Mahia is also there on 4 goals. But of importance at Tusker FC, yes, their players are scoring those goals, and at this particular time, it is at Tusker FC who are on the summit of that log. Will they go all out and bag it this time out? A question that a lot of people are waiting to see how that will be able to transpire. Now, let's talk about something different, and this is basketball. And when you think about basketball, former Kenya basketball women's champions, so that is a KPA, they want to dine with the best in Africa. They have a league that they